Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 13th of January, 2021. Hope you had a good trading week. Hey, or trading Tuesday. Actually, it's been a very boring day for sure, and 2 days really. I'll show you the intraday action in a few minutes. It's just not been interesting. Just to be clear, though, we have options expiration for January already coming up on Friday. So whether we get an unravel on Wednesday for the 13th or Thursday the 14th, we don't know yet. But let's just focus on Wednesday. That's usually when it comes. But there's not been any action yet. So I don't know. It's just amazing with everything that's going on in the world. Here's the ES front month futures contract. By the way, there's nothing to show in Forex, so I'm not going to bother. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures forum. Look at, we have 5 days in a row dead flat. Let's go through the major indices. Crude oil up 52 cents. There's a 13 sell signal on crude oil. I don't know when the last time we got a 13 sell signal on crude oil was. Yeah, I can't even find it going back years. There's a bit of buy signal. It's be careful. That doesn't look good for crude oil and whatever. Gold up 14.5. No signal there. S&P cash gains a point. Literally 1 point. That's how boring the market is. NASDAQ 100 down 10. That's kind of the same. Doesn't really mean anything. The SOX up 18 points. Biotech's up 11.69. The Russell 2000 up 36.95. The VIX loses 75 cents back to 23.33, which is not, it's still above that red static trend line we've been holding. The trend closes at 0.64. I told you about this. Look at this. This is really interesting. Puts the 10-day moving average, and this thing was high just a week ago, puts the 10-day moving average of the trend at 0.82. That is a sell signal on the market, any way you look at it. Very rare, doesn't look good. The put-call ratio has been bad as well. There's a lot here to suggest that the market's in trouble, so we'll see what happens. NASDAQ volume, 7.2 billion shares. Look at the way the 10-day moving... So, look, guys, here's the way this works, right? The market hasn't been making any progress, but we've been trading like record volume for like 5 days in a row. That takes the 10-day moving average of the volume up. But we've got these massive sell signals, like the trend 10-day moving average going under 0.85 and everything else. So, look, just be careful. This does not look good for the markets. We still have massive COVID increases and a lot of other things going on, obviously, in Washington that I don't really want to get into. NASDAQ advanced decline ratio plus 14.28. Way more stocks up than down again. On the New York plus 10.35. Way more stocks up than down. Google loses 18.86. Apple down 18 cents. This is interesting. With all the negative stocks, Google's down, Apple's down, Netflix down 4.85. Yep, Amazon up 6.62. But that's a blip there and doesn't even look like an update, really. Tesla up 38.25. Nobody cares. Facebook down 5.75. Heading back towards the lows. Zoom up 19.10. That's a bounce back after where it's been. Goldman Sachs up 8.38. Look at this on Goldman Sachs. Finally broke out and just ran like crazy. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 12 cents. Dow Jones up 60. Now we're talking about this. We do this every time now. Bitcoin down to almost 1,000 points, $1,000 to 33,250 after being almost at 40. It's down 1,000 points, right? Big deal. Put call ratio closes at 0.49, which is really, really low. And then let's look at the intraday action. And this is the thing I care about. Forget the 5-minute. Let's go to the 10-minute. Here's the ES. Look. You can see last Wednesday, the tail of last Tuesday. Wednesday was kind of an update. Thursday we gapped up and then we started going flat. And so from the rest of Thursday, all of Friday, all of Monday, and all of Tuesday, we have been nowhere. I mean, literally nowhere on the markets. And that's what's making it hard to trade and get any traction. Here's a look at the NASDAQ 10-minute candles. So I don't know. I wouldn't get too wrapped up in anything. It doesn't seem exciting. We need to break out of this range either way, down or up. The data suggests down, right? That's what a trend reading like that means. That's what a put call ratio like that means. The VIX is either way. So I would be very cautious that this does look negative for the markets. And we obviously, I mean, when you look around, nothing positive out there. So we'll see what happens. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday. And also look for that options unraveling just in case it happens.